check this out. You're looking at butterfly pendant pieces. These are solid 925 sterling silver, and they're available in 3 different sizes. We have the large size butterfly. It's 31 grams. Medium size, you're looking at 19 grams. And the smaller is 11 grams. Nicely iced with round cut stones. Look at that shine, guys. These are beautiful pieces. They're available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US, quick service, quality pieces, guys. Butterfly pendants. All right, thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.